Meta AI is not resting. Meta AI's researchers have proposed yet another model just recently. It is called as Make a Video 3D or MAV 3D. MAV 3D takes an text or image and generates an animated 3D scene that can be viewed or rendered from any angle. Uriel Singer and his colleagues at Meta AI have come up with this MAV 3D with a bang. They not only have released this paper, which let me show you on your screen, but they have also come up with some of the output examples. And the way this model works is really fascinating. So this MAV 3D is primarily an animated version of the earlier Dream Fusion model. It includes two models. First is Hexplane, and then the other one is Make a Video. Hexplane efficiently represents an animated 3D scene, whereas Make a Video, which is primarily a text to video generator that is pre-trained on Lion 5-bit text image pairs. And then there is also a third component of this, which is called as NERF, which is modified for video and animation. If you go to their example website, you will see various examples, such as from text to 4D, like this, where a corgi is playing with a ball, and then a panda dancing, and you can see all the, if I rotate here, you can see all the 4D dimensions. Let me hold it here, and you will see the dimensions, and then it is rotating accordingly. And same goes for load mesh. Now, what happened here is that hex plane learned an embedding for each point on each 2D plane in an animated 3D scene over 16 video frames. Given a point, three spatial dimensions plus time, such as in this video, as you can see, this retrieved the corresponding embeddings and concatenated them to produce a point embedding. And then given the embeddings and a random camera position per frame, NERF produced a video such as in these examples. Similarly, same concept works for image to 4D. As you can see, as soon as I rotate it, it provides you all the embeddings. And another cool thing is that no other system generates animated 3D scenes from text, so that the authors of this compared MAV 3D with systems that solve two subtasks, and in every case, MAV 3D surpassed the expectations. So I hope that this is going to be a new groundbreaking innovation in terms of video LLMs and how we are forging into the multi-dimensional area. I hope that you found it interesting. I will drop the link to these outputs plus this paper in video's description. And one last thing, you can load more samples by simply clicking here, and then you can keep clicking on it, and it will give you lots and lots of samples here. Anyway, really cool. Really love it, and I hope that you are fascinated by it. If you have any comments, please put them in the comments. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.